Shit, I got airplanes, fucking, he has a closet underneath his bed in the back. So Michelle comes over here, I'm busted. It costs me more money to friggin'
Come on now.
hang out with my dad than it does friggin' with my...
We all ready?
So yeah, I bought one of those Flux carbon. You know? I guess I want to go to young. What are we getting hard? I'll go last. Hey.
Who just cut in front of me? Must have been Rand, right? Has to be Rand, right? Oh wait, no, it's Frank. What the hell?
Oh, watch the crosswind.
I think we'll be alright.
It's fine.
China cleared. Gear up, flaps up.
Well, what I think is Horizon said
Gear down. Gear
Sure.
up. Landing flaps. Gear down.
No, too much. We had a thermal.
Flaps up.
Yeah, the
Landing flaps.
Alright,
Yeah, we got a weird thermal out here.
it's dripping up.
There it is. Just came through right now. You okay? Yeah, thermal. You'll feel it. You feel it now. Yeah, thermal. Frank, let me catch you.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
I'm trying to do this with you.
Yeah, it can't go down. It won't go down.
Flaps up.
Oh my God! It just won't go down. Probably Keon.
These are loud.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
Me. Well, I'm just doing a touch and go, but I didn't touch.
Gear up.
Where are you?
I'm online the front. Yes.
There? Alright. Are you doing a touch and go right now? I see gear down.
Broke off of me.
Gear down.
Alright, I'm coming up to you. I'll be on your tail. I didn't touch! I didn't touch!
Hey Ray, next year we'll pave it wider for you.
Wind tab is over.
Get an artificial turf on the other side.
It was a miss.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
That was just me not on the sticks fast enough.
Get on the touch and go trend, bro.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Low pass.
Trying to get on Frank's wing, but he's flying like a madman.
Minute.
It's me.
Landing
Keon's flying!
down.
Oh, I forgot about my timer. Shit.
The hauling it off is nothing. It's when you show up and cart show.
Alright, almost hold it. Landing.
Flaps. Gear up. Flaps up.
Landing, guys.
Okay, go ahead. Rand's in front.
Oh shit.
You're good. You got to stay high sometimes because of that weird wind.
That dip.
Yeah, it's there's rotors over there.
What?
Rotors.
Not coming down.
30 seconds.
Spinning wind.
Right. Again?
Regardless.
Okay, I'm right here with you. Is that you, Frank?
Alright.
I'm in front.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm in the back.
All right. From the back.
Right, I'm gonna go
Gear
wide.
down.
From the back.
Landing.
Who's coming from the back?
10, 9, 8, 7.
He's very authoritative with that. Way!
5,
No, I gotta, you know, in a weird.
1.
Oh,
I see you.
Time expired. Flaps up. Gear up.
Trying to catch up to Frank, but he's
Landing flaps.
flying very
Gear
evasive.
down.
Whoa! Updraft.
Flaps up. Gear up.
I gotta land.
Okay.
Oh, ran.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
Right, let me go.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Oh! Don't do that.
Yeah, it took off from me. Ah. Hold on, my canopy is there.
Okay, go ahead. We're waiting. You just can't take it. You're abusing him.
The wind is rolling the canopy off the runway. Go up, let's go up, Ray. And let's come back down.
Go. Tell me when to go.
Turn now.
Okay.
Oh, look at these two. They're like synchronized swimmers. Water together.
Oh yeah.
Landing flaps.
Ran, are you clear?
Yeah, he's clear.
Okay.
Alright, there we go. Nose up the whole
Flaps
freaking way.
up. Gear up.
Hey-oh, hey-oh.
Hold on, let me put new battery on it.
Landing. Gear down. Flaps up.
Wait, I thought you were doing a touch and go.
I want to do the thing with the thing.
Oh, I'm done. I gotta come in.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
I gotta show you the proper way to do that thing.
Landing.
Landing.
Landing right behind Ray Ray.
Landing, landing.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, that was.
Downdraft.
Flaps up.
Oh, look at that nose up show off.
Come on, Frankie.
Guy showing off, nose up.
There's another nose up.
What a bunch of show off.
Hey, Ricky's the best show off of them all, though.
Ah, this plane is just.
I almost
putting holes through
I almost want to put a battery in it and do it again. Seriously. Whoa, hello.
That plane is fun. I'm so pissed I don't have mine right now.
Did you bring your F-16?
Yes.
Let's fly it next.
Let's fly it.
All right, you're clear. Dude, that was
Well,
fun.
you're not clear yet.
Now you're
Now
clear.
you're clear.